Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different, eh? Usually I don't do this kind of videos, eh? Music related videos, and I thought today, why not? Let's do it on Nani. Today's video is how to make a song like your favorite artist right now. It's either like Vten or any other guy that does like trap music, if that makes sense. Yeah, it's not my idea because Niga Higa, he already did this, but I thought let's do this in Nepali style and try to recreate songs made by Vten. And yeah, if you're watching this, I'm a huge fan, and if this doesn't come out good, please don't hate on me. So first of all, please like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and I can do many other artists also if you want to. First of all, in a trap song, what you need is a melody, right? Melody vanale, the thing that brings the thing. I don't know how to explain it, but I made it already, and if you guys want to see how I made this beat, I'm gonna make another video. So this is how it turned out. So this is the melody that I did. You'd say dang dang dang. It's pretty simple. त्यसपछि there comes the piano. Yeah, it's pretty simple stuff. And त्यसपछि there comes the drums, the 808s and the hi-hats. And त्यसपछि all together it sounds something like this from the beginning if I play it. I think it's pretty hard. And again, repeats. So yeah, this is the beat that I made, it's something that Vten will rap on or sing on. This beat was actually inspired by a song of Cypher one. Koi sathi prahari bhane koi sathi gunda. Yeah, that song. अब चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ भने the lyrics comes अब चाहिँ he usually raps about few things. First being the struggle of his life. I'm actually writing this so I don't forget myself. The first is the struggle. Second is thamma. He frequently uses that word thamma, which means girl. And a few other things like the gang shit. Gang means his friends. And another thing is weed, marijuana, whatever you want to call it. I don't condone any of the stuffs, by the way. It's just, this is how he raps and I'm trying to recreate it. So it talks about weed, and then it talks about the police, प्रहरी दाइहरुको बारेमा. अनि yeah, he talks about his dreams. The other thing he talks about is कसरी हुन्छ खुट्टा तान्छ नि मान्छेहरुले. He talks about that. So yeah, these are the few things that I've written. Yeah, after that I tried writing some stuff with those points. You guys also he does his ad libs. Yeah, that's how little bitch. Ay. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. Yeah, that is also necessary. So yeah.
Few minutes later.
So yeah, guys, I came up with a little bit of lyrics here and there, little bit of this, I tried my best, even though I'm not a good writer, bro. I cannot write. I'm nowhere near हुन्छ नि भिटेन लेख्ने जस्तो म कसैले लेख्न सक्दिनँ, तर I tried my best हुन्छ नि उसको like genre अनुसारको like music. I tried it. A little bit of struggle, a little bit of backstory as well. And yeah, first I'm gonna record the vocals. By the way, for this like vocals recording, I have a microphone there, but like most of y'all who wanna like remake a song like Vten might not have it, so I'm gonna teach y'all how to like do it with these like headphones and iPhone. Like there's probably apps on Android as well, but I know how to do it on iPhone, so yeah, these are like key. If this is with you, you're good. First open the GarageBand app हैन, त्यसपछि यस्तो आउँछ फर्स्टमै, अनि त्यसपछि अडियो गर्नुपर्छ, त्यही भएर तलपट्टि लेफ्ट बटम कर्नर प्लस साइन छ त्यहाँ थिच्ने, त्यसपछि अडियो रेकर्डर अनि भोइसमा थिचेपछि इट्स फर भोकल्स, यो भोकल्स हैन, त्यसपछि केही गर्नु पर्दैन, त्यो ट्रिपल बारमा थिच्ने, देन दिस कम्स एन्ड देन यु क्लिक अन द रेड बटन अन द मिडल, रातोमा थिचेपछि मेट्रोमा आउँछ, त्यसपछि यु स्टार्ट टु रेकर्ड यो भोकल्स एन्ड यु सुड बी डन विथ द भोकल्स है। भोकल्स सकेपछि अगेन त्यो रातोमा थिच्ने है, त्यो रातो उसमा थिचेपछि इट विल स्टप रेकर्डिङ, अनि फेरि एड अन अदर वान फर यो एडलिप्स, बिकज यु वान डु द एडलिप्स होइन अभियसली, अनि एडलिप्स पनि त्यसरी नै रेकर्ड गर्ने हो। Yeah, after you're done with the ad-libs, फेरि त्यही थिच्ने रातो बटनमा, and yeah, everything's done. And yeah, after all that's done, it's the fun part, a little bit of auto-tune, eh? I know he doesn't use as much, you know, and he uses a little bit in his ad-libs, and he keeps his vocals like raw, you know, but it's fun, just play with it, add some auto-tune as well, and then you shall be fine. So for auto-tune, त्यो माइक्रोफोनमा थिच्ने होइन, लाइक भर्खरै भोकल रेकर्ड गरेको फेरि माथिको माइकमा थिच्ने, त्यो लेफ्टपट्टिको राइटपट्टिको त्यो घुम्ने छ नि, त्यो डट 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 त्यहाँ थिचेपछि यस्तो आउँछ, अनि देन गो अन एक्सट्रिम ट्युनिङ, त्यसपछि त्यही मिक्स गर्ने, अनि कतिको मनपर्छ आफूलाई ट्युन गरेको आवाज, त्यति लाइक रोबोटिक भोइस होइन अटो ट्युन भनेको त्यति गर्ने होइन भोकल्सलाई, अनि सकेसम्म एडलिप्समा चाहिँ यु क्यान युज लाइक फुल अटो ट्युन, किनभने इट साउन्ड्स बेटर एडलिप्समा। Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now everything's done. All you gotta do is play from the beginning, and yeah, this is my interpretation of Vten. And hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, please make sure to thumbs up, comment any other like artist that you want me to like teach you guys how to sound like. Yeah. And this is Vten, hey guys. If Vten is watching this, I love you, bro. You're amazing. And this is the final product that I made. बचैबाट दुःख भोगे, गरिबीको कारणले सपनाहरू सबै रोके, सपना सबै रोके, बचैबाट दुःख भोगे, गरिबीको कारणले सपना सबै रोके, सपना सबै रोके, म त जहिले बसिरहेको हुन्छु छेउमा, आइज पार्टी हान आइज मेरो क्रेबमा, धेरै क्षमाहरू हुनुपर्छ मेरो काखमा, सपना मेरो पुरा अझै भएको छैन, कसैले नराम्रो भनेर पछाडि हट्ने होइन, पछाडि हट्ने होइन। I'm with the gang, just chill. वरिपरिको दुवाले I feel tripping. I'm with the gang, just chill. वरिपरिको दुवाले I feel tripping. बचैबाट दुःख भोगे, गरिबीको कारणले सपना सबै रोके, सपना सबै रोके, बचैबाट दुःख भोगे, गरिबीको कारणले सपना सबै रोके, सपना सबै रोके।
fucking shit, that's how it goes.